How to change the oil temperature sensor in a 1997 to 2004 C5 Chevy Corvette. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. The oil temperature sensor is located above the oil filter, and you may have to lower your exhaust in order to get to it. Disconnect the electrical connector from the sensor, then use your 3/4 inch socket and ratchet to loosen and remove the sensor. Thread the new sensor by hand. Use your 3/4 inch socket and ratchet to tighten the sensor to 15 foot-pounds. Reconnect the electrical connector, and this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless.